Kumiko-Teressa reporting from Tokyo, Japan. I'll be introducing you tons of delicious ramen noodle places. Have you ever tried ramen noodles in Tokyo? If you haven't, you really should. This guy over here, his name is Dorance Ishimoto. He's a comedian in Japan known for eating tons of good ramen noodles, and he knows a lot about it, and he's the one who's going to be doing the report. So let's check out today's Tokyo ramen. Today we're going to show you a ramen place in Ikebukuro where they have a big department store. The ramen we're introducing has fish and chicken bone stock soup. When you taste the soup, you'll be surprised by the amazing balance and harmony fish and chicken soup makes. The noodles are thick and chewy. Chashu, spring onions, mema, half-boiled egg, and a big seaweed is in the bowl. Thick chashu is soft and juicy. From the soup, it tastes delicious. This place is a minute walk from JR Ikebukuro Station. In front of the station, you will find a few big home electronics retail stores. After you try the ramen noodles, please make a stop at Sunshine Building to look at the rare animals at the aquarium. So, what did you think? I bet you would like to try ramen noodles from this shop. Next time you're in Tokyo, make sure you try this ramen noodles, and don't forget to let your friends know. I'll be introducing a lot of Tokyo ramen noodles, so be on the lookout. I think I'm going to try a bite. This is delicious. So, I will see you in ramen noodle places in Tokyo. Bye!